We brought the walkie-talkies.
Okay.
Garion, are we gonna go exploring?
Yes, Daddy, we can hear you.
So we're here at the Wetlands Nature Park, and we've never been here before. So we're gonna go exploring and see what we can see.
Do we have to?
It's really nice out right now. I wanted to come early because it's gonna be 70-something degrees until 10 o'clock. So it's around 8 o'clock right now, so we've got 2 hours of nice weather before it starts to get warm.
And then we're gonna leave, and it's gonna get very
Yes,
hot.
then we're probably gonna leave because it's gonna start getting really hot. So we're gonna go exploring and see what we can find.
I see an ant.
See an ant? Well, leave it alone. Let it live its life. Let it live its best life. Hopefully, I'm hoping we can find a little river or something where maybe we can see some tadpoles or some frogs or some fish or something. But right now all I can see is trees. You hear peacocks?
I hear, yeah, do you hear that sound?
Uh-uh. That's a peacock? Let's go this way and see what we can see.
The peacocks?
Nah.
Here's the trail. We're gonna go back across the other way and try to find the paved trail on that side.
Wait, ready, set, go in 1, 2, 3. Hello, do you really hear me? There's gotta be a coffee. Open.
He's probably looking right at us.
It is.
He can hear us too.
There he goes.
Well, a lot of work went into it.
It's a
what I'm
giant
trying to say.
spider web. Is that a wasp? What is that?
Could be a wasp.
It looks dead though. Watch out, there's a lot of big ants.
Hang on.
Is it a butterfly?
Where are the
I
tadpoles?
can't see it.
I don't see the tadpoles.
There.
I don't see
They
them.
probably just went under the rocks because we came up too close. There's one right, look, you see him right there?
What?
Oh, I do. I just saw it.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Okay, you can barely, here, you can come a little closer. You can barely see it.
I see him! I see him!
Okay? Just keep staring at the water, okay?
You're gonna see
In that area right
tiny
there.
little fish
These
looking.
tiny, tiny things swimming around. There, right there.
I see it! Ah, tadpoles!
Those are tadpoles.
Huh?
Those are tadpoles.
Yeah. Those are tadpoles.
How? How did it happen?
We're going on this way, right?
Wait, did you hear that?
Well, there could be bears here, so relax.
Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my.
Yeah, I hear.
Bless you.
Oh, Dad, Jason isn't here. Didn't Jason meet? Didn't Jason meet Freddy?
Yeah, they fought.
Look at all these reeds.
Freddy, but I think on the
Come here, come here.
You can hear all the birds. Be careful.
Just try to feel that.
It's so cold over
It feels
here.
cool in there. It's a jungle.
Watch, quiet, quiet, quiet.
There's a bird's nest up there.
What do you think all the tadpoles?
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's like an entire
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah. There's an entire family of them. They look kind of transparent.
Yeah, they have to be.
Standing on one foot on this little tiny.
Cool, I love frogs. That's really cool.
It sounds so nice out here, right?
Just be quiet and listen.
This is beautiful.
He's like camouflaged. There you go. Oh look, he's in a rest right there. He's just trying to get warm.
What kind of lizard is that?
He's got all comfy right there.
Until we get close. He's gonna run. Hard thing is I can't see in the sun what this is showing. Oh wait, I can see him, I can see him. I can see him moving.
Cool.
You guys, we just saw a bunch of lizards, little baby lizards playing together. It was so cute. I cannot believe I've lived here 20 years in Las Vegas and I've never been to this park before. I just vaguely heard about it, but I didn't really think it was like a big park or a big deal, but this place is huge. And there's dragonflies and tadpoles and quails, and you hear frogs chirping, and haven't seen any turtles yet. I was hoping we'll see some turtles, but there's wildlife everywhere. It's pretty freaking cool. It's already getting hot though, so see how much longer we last, but I still have water left, so as long as we have water for a while, we'll be okay. This is pretty cool though. You guys having fun?
Huh? Yeah.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
And then we saw that. Oh, I see the bridge coming up. You see the bridge? Look.
Bridge. I don't see
we're
it.
almost there.
Look at these flowers.
See it?
Storks?
Yeah, they do look. They
See
do.
it, Gaia?
They do look like storks.
Where are they?
There's two of them.
And there's one tiny bird by them.
Yeah, come over here.
I'm trying to find them.
Hey, get off from here, Gaia.
Oh no, they're in the open. Come on.
See them, they're pretty good.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. Salmon, 5, 6. Do you want to see? No.
Where's the babies?
Yeah. Why are they babies?
Look, she's going to them right now.
I don't see her.
Like the metal thing.
Oh, Daddy, bring your head up. It's not a dead duck, Logan. It's probably just drinking water. So why is it been a while?
Where?
Over there. Into the bush.
Oh,
Oh, fish. Two fishes. Dang, the Korean must be strong then.
Baby ducklings.
They're all swimming like they're all safe. Okay?
Yeah.
Look at that. So cute.
Crawling on me.
Daddy, it's such a house dog.
I know, right?
So if ducks were to see a dog right when they hatch, they would think that's
Yeah,
its
they
own.
would do crap. Yeah.
That's what happens. Like, like this dog was like freaked out. It was trying to go away, but then all
You can
the
tell
ducks
she's very
were
attentive to them.
Huh? Why? And mommy, that's your most favorite one. Hello.
hi. Did you like it?
We saw a lot of things today. Bunnies, dragonflies, butterflies, fish, and a mama duck and her ducklings. It was awesome.
And some tadpoles, some quails.
I really wanted to see a peacock like Daddy though.
Daddy thought he heard peacock, but we didn't see any peacocks.
And I really wanted to see a turtle.
Heard a lot of frogs chirping, but we didn't see any. I don't know if chirping's the right word, but we didn't see any croaking. There you go, croaking. Yeah. Anyway.
I was thinking riveting.
Riveting?
Riveting is not a word.
Yeah. Croaking? I think croaking is the right word, though it doesn't sound right
But
either.
that croaking is dying, like they're dying.
Yeah. It's our word for dying, croaking. Probably because they sound like they're dying when they make that noise. Anyway, that was a fun trip. I'm glad that we went. I think we walked like a mile or two. And now it's getting hot out